How to get unlimited iCloud storage on iPhone for free. I mean, look at these prices. Who can afford all of these storage plans? Okay, you know what? I gotta figure out how to get unlimited iCloud storage on iPhone for free. Let me just search up on Google and see if I can find anything. Okay guys, after hours of searching and going through so many scam video tutorials and fake TikTok guides, I finally found the working method to get unlimited iCloud storage on iPhone for free. Basically, I found a way to get an insane amount of money for free on Cash App or PayPal or Amazon gift card. That actually works. Let me explain. So while I was scrolling on Reddit, I saw some posts that said they were able to get unlimited iCloud storage on iPhone for free with this hidden method. At first I thought it was a scam because usually these kinds of things are super fake, but others were vouching and saying the method worked for them as well. So at this point I started to believe it more and was really excited. So what I did was I messaged the person directly and asked them for more directions, and they responded and told me the entire method, and now I can share it with you guys. So basically, you just have to go to this site called glitchcash.com, and on there you will be able to complete some tasks and earn $750 $1,000 that will be sent to you. So for starters, head over to the website, but guys, you must do it on a mobile device. So for this to work, you must do it on a phone, otherwise it will not work. Then once you're on the site, you see the button that says claim now. Just click that button and that will take you to the start of the offer page. Now what we have to do is fill out this entire questionnaire and do everything it asks. Also guys, your questionnaire page might not look exactly like mine's. That's completely fine and normal. Sometimes it could look a bit different depending on your region, but do not worry if it is different. Just complete it entirely and it will still work for you in the end and you will receive your money. But guys, I'm gonna keep filling mine out. As you can see, it's asking for basic stuff like my email and stuff, so it's pretty easy and I can do this all from my room while I chill out and relax. So I'll just keep completing it. Also, you might get to a part in the questionnaire where it wants you to do some extra offers, which might make you play a game or start a trial on a site or something. That is completely part of it. Just do that and it will maximize the amount of money you earn. So I highly recommend making sure you do that part as well. But guys, I'm finished this up and show you what happens at the end. So it'll let you guys know. Alright, great news guys. So once you reach the end, it redirected me back and is telling him done. And now it's asking me to enter my cash tag or PayPal email. So I'm gonna enter my cash tag and let's see if they're gonna actually send the money. Okay, let's open my cash tag. Wow guys, look, I just received $1,000 from the site. That's so amazing. So now I can take this money and use it for whatever I want. In this case, we will buy iCloud storage on iPhone for free. It's absolutely amazing. So you guys must try this out. Use glitchcash.com today and start earning